Welcome back, grammar enthusiasts. Today we're hitting the gym and working out those grammar muscles with gerunds and reduced clauses. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about gerunds, those verb forms that act like sneaky little nouns. They love to disguise themselves as verbs, but don't be fooled. Gerunds can be subjects, objects, or even follow prepositions. For example, swimming is my favorite hobby. There, swimming is a gerund acting as a subject. I enjoy dancing to upbeat music. Gerund as object. She's good at solving puzzles. Gerund after a preposition. And let's not forget their love for prepositions. Gerunds often follow prepositions like interested in, good at, and keen on. For example, I'm interested in learning new languages. Now, let's meet the reduced clauses. They're like the gymnasts of grammar, performing amazing feats of sentence simplification. Reduced clauses help us streamline our sentences without losing meaning. They're formed by dropping the relative pronoun and the verb to be. For example, the woman who is talking to John is my sister can become the woman talking to John is my sister. This makes our sentences more concise and efficient. Practice time. Complete the sentence with the correct gerund form. Reduce the relative clause. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring the world of grammar and have fun with it. The answers are in the description box. By mastering gerunds and reduced clauses, you'll be able to express yourself more concisely and effectively. Keep practicing and exploring the wonderful world of grammar.